What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a long time since I uploaded, but I'm gonna be back uploading regularly. And today, putting something cool on the new truck. A lot of people used to have this truck a long time ago. Sold it to a buddy, and the T-case and rear end went out on it. But I ended up buying it back from him for what I sold it to him for, and it's pretty clean. A little bit of surface rust, a little bit of rust on that. A little bit on the rockers, but nothing terrible. And today we're gonna be putting some mirrors on it. I got these mirrors from a buddy off of his truck, and they're tow mirrors, I guess. So thought it looked kind of cool on this truck, so I'm gonna throw them on real quick and see how they look. I forgot to record, but I got one side on, so I'll get the other side. Got the mirrors on. It looks a lot better. I had the old mirrors, the regular style mirrors on there before, and I ended up selling them with the other truck I had. So this is it, finished project. Pretty easy to put on, 3 bolts. So. There's a lot of work to still be done to this truck. It actually needs a transmission, so getting the transmission within the next, I want to say 2 weeks or so. I have everything out but the old transmission, so still working on that. And then I need to get the tires swapped out because I have these newer style wheels. Need to be polished up some. They're really fucking dirty. But I have these ones with 285s on, and those are only 245s on the stock wheels, so it's going to be a big difference. And then I'm hopefully getting a spacer. This one, this one's trash. They're all trash. I have not new tires, but they have better tread than the other ones, and they'll get me by. Still a lot of parts in here that need to be thrown out, like there's an old T-case, and then I have all my tools and stuff, the exhaust. I need to get these out because they are in fact plugged, and I know also all the titanium that was in them was coming out when I was taking this off. So this is the good T-case, the other one's on the other side. But yeah, this one has all right tread, I guess. But yeah, this is it. I have some other projects I want to work on here since it's getting warmer out. As you can see, we still have a shit ton of snow, but it is in the 30s and so this is one of the projects I'll be working on. I also have something special planned for another one of my cars, and to get back my blue truck that I have, the 88 Chev, from the shop, so I can finish that project for like the millionth time. The project's never finished, but the truck is overall clean. Interior needs a little bath, but it's got all my stuff when I moved. I'll have some dirt bike vlogs soon once the roads are clean and I can get my dirt tires switched over. So right now I have ice tires on. And a lot more to come. Yeah, this thing is fucking packed. But yeah, I guess all my projects that I have along the way. So I have a lot planned for the summer, and also with my girlfriend and everything else in our life. So I'd be happy to bring you guys along the way. So like, comment, subscribe, share. See you guys later.